Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents You will never throw away banana peels after watching this. The subject sounds weird, right? But actually it is not. This is probably one of the most common fruits found throughout the world, and that is also probably why we don't really relish it as much. But before throwing the banana peel into the bin, watch this video till the end to know its benefits. It will give you amazing results. The flesh of the banana is rich in many nutrients and carbohydrates. It is high in vitamins B6, B12, magnesium and potassium. The sugar content is the highest when the banana peel turns black. All these nutrients make the peel a must-have item in your beauty routine. Let us quickly see the top benefits of banana peels. Whitens teeth. If you want pearly whites, do not throw away the banana peels. The peels contain citric acid, which can help reduce the yellow stains on your teeth and make them white like pearls. Plus, the peels have plaque-busting and astringent salicylic acid that will not wear down your tooth enamel and even supports healthy teeth. Use this simple trick whenever you need to whiten your teeth. Rub the soft inside of a fresh piece of banana peel on your teeth for a few minutes. When you are done, brush your teeth with toothpaste to remove the residue. Do this once a day for a couple of weeks to remove the stains. Dissolve warts. The banana peel helps in removing warts and eliminates the occurrence of new ones. For this, simply rub the peel on the affected area or tie the peel overnight on it. This is one of the simplest ways to use a banana peel for the skin. Remove the peel the next morning. Repeat daily for a few weeks or until you get rid of the wart. You can also use banana peels in the same way to get rid of corns. Cures acne. Banana peels are excellent for treating pimples and acne. The peel works as a natural exfoliating agent to remove toxins from the skin pores, which in turn treats and reduces the risk of acne. Its antioxidant power also helps fight germs that cause acne. Plus, the anti-inflammatory properties in the peel help calm inflamed skin. Wash your skin with cool water, then pat dry with a clean towel. Massage the affected area with the inside of a banana peel for 5 minutes. Wait 20 minutes for the skin to absorb the nutrients, then rinse off with cool water. Repeat 2 or 3 times a day. Alternatively, spread some turmeric powder on the inside of the banana peel. Use it to gently rub the affected skin area for 5 minutes and let the mixture sit on your skin for 15 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water, then pat dry. Repeat twice daily. Reduces blemishes. Banana peels are good for treating blemishes as well. The vitamins A, B, C and E benefit your skin and help treat blemishes. Plus, the peels are rich in antioxidants that help reduce dark spots and blemishes. Gently rub the white fiber of a piece of banana peel on your skin for 5 to 10 minutes. Let the remaining fiber sit on your skin for at least 20 minutes. Reapply 2 or 3 times a day until the blemishes fade away. Heals mosquito bites. Mosquito and other bug bites cause a lot of itchiness and discomfort. You can treat these symptoms with banana peels, which help draw fluid out of the bite. Plus, the polysaccharides in the peel seep into the skin cells to halt swelling and inflammation within minutes. Massage the inside of a banana peel on the affected area for 5 minutes. Wait 15 minutes, then rinse off the area with cool water. Repeat as needed. Removes skin tags. You can also use banana peels to get rid of ugly skin tags. They contain enzymes that help dissolve the skin tags. Cut out a piece of banana peel to cover your skin tag properly. Place the white portion of the peel on your skin tag and secure it with a tape. Leave it on overnight. Remove the tape and banana peel and rinse your skin the next morning. Do this daily until your skin tag drops off. Removes splinters. Banana peels are also very effective in removing splinters. The enzymes in the peel help soften the skin to aid in easy plucking of the splinter. They also help heal the wound. Cut a small piece of fresh banana peel, put it over the splinter with the inside part against the skin, secure it with a bandage or some gauze tape. Leave it overnight. The next morning, remove the splinter with a pair of tweezers, diminishes wrinkles and fine lines. Banana peels can also reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The peel helps tighten and tone the skin. It also has lutein, an antioxidant that delays aging signs. Plus, it gives your skin some added shine and plumpness. Rub the inside of a banana peel over your face and let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse it off with lukewarm water. Do this once daily. Soothes puffy eyes. You can use fresh banana peels to relieve tired and puffy eyes. It is the potassium in the banana peels that helps to get rid of under-eye bags and puffiness. Also, its moisturizing nature helps reduce under-eye darkness. Collect the white fiber on the inside of a banana peel by scraping a spoon along the surface. Mix the fiber with 1 to 2 tablespoons of pure aloe vera gel to form a smooth paste. Gently apply the paste around the eyes. Wait 15 minutes, then wash it off with cool water. Repeat as needed. Heals psoriasis. Psoriasis, a chronic skin disease that triggers vigorous itching and dry patches on different parts of the body, can also be treated with banana peels. Massage the inside of a banana peel over the affected skin. Leave it for 30 minutes, then rinse it off with cool water. Repeat twice daily. Alternatively, spread olive oil on the inside of the peel and generously rub it on the affected area. Repeat several times daily until you get positive results. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.